When we think about staying vibrant and full of life as we get older, it's easy to forget just how powerful nature can be in supporting our health. Fruits are more than just something sweet to snack on. They're nature's way of delivering vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants straight to our bodies in the purest form. One of the most important things fruits do is help our blood flow. For older men, healthy blood circulation is absolutely key for feeling energetic, supporting the heart, and also maintaining vitality in intimate areas. Poor circulation can make you feel sluggish, tired, and less enthusiastic about life. But fruits rich in antioxidants like berries, citrus, and grapes naturally help relax blood vessels, reduce harmful cholesterol, and keep the arteries flexible. They act almost like gentle cleaners, helping to sweep away the damage that builds up over time. Another amazing benefit is the way fruits fight inflammation. As we age, many little aches and pains are caused by the body being inflamed, which also slows down recovery and drains energy. Fruits like cherries, oranges, and pineapples contain special compounds that reduce this hidden inflammation, allowing you to feel lighter and more mobile. They also feed the body with natural sugars paired with fiber, which means you get steady energy without the crash you often feel after processed snacks. This helps you stay active, enjoy your hobbies, and have more stamina in daily life. Beyond the physical, eating more fruit connects you to a healthy lifestyle. Each piece you eat is a reminder that you're taking control of your health, nourishing yourself, and investing in your future. Simple choices like swapping a cookie for a handful of berries or adding sliced bananas to your morning oatmeal can make a huge difference over time. These little steps don't just improve your body, they improve your mood because you feel in control and supported by natural nutrition. For older men, that confidence and sense of energy can be just as important as the physical effects themselves, because they remind you that you still have the power to influence how you feel every single day. Among all the fruits available, there is one that stands out as a true champion for male vitality, and that fruit is the pomegranate. For centuries, it has been regarded as a symbol of strength, energy, and even fertility, and modern science is now confirming what ancient cultures already seemed to know. Pomegranates are packed with powerful antioxidants called polyphenols, which have a direct impact on improving circulation throughout the body. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to every cell, including those responsible for sexual wellness and stamina. Many men notice that as they age, energy levels drop and intimacy feels less exciting, but adding pomegranate juice or fresh seeds into the diet can help reverse some of that slowdown. Studies have shown that pomegranate may naturally support testosterone production, which is critical for maintaining energy, mood, and sexual desire. Even a small boost can make a difference in how youthful and motivated you feel day to day. The fruit also contains compounds that support heart health, reducing blood pressure and keeping arteries flexible, which is directly linked to stronger and more reliable performance in intimate situations. Another interesting aspect of pomegranate is its ability to lower stress levels. Drinking a glass of pomegranate juice has been shown to reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, which not only calms the mind but also frees up energy for more joyful living. For older men who want to feel like their younger selves again, this simple fruit can be a daily ritual that brings both physical and emotional benefits. A pouting pove. It can be eaten as fresh seeds sprinkled on salads, blended into smoothies, or enjoyed as a pure juice with breakfast. What makes it so effective is that it works gently and naturally with your body without the harsh side effects of quick fixes or artificial supplements. Choosing pomegranate consistently is like giving your body a gift every day, one that restores vitality from the inside out and helps you reconnect with the confidence and satisfaction that may have felt out of reach for a while. When it comes to feeling youthful, energetic, and ready to enjoy intimacy, vitamins and minerals play a far bigger role than most people realize. They are like the tiny building blocks that keep your body running smoothly, and when you give your body enough of them, the difference can be felt in energy, mood, and even in confidence. One of the most important nutrients for older men is vitamin C. This vitamin supports healthy blood vessels, making it easier for blood to circulate freely, which is essential not just for heart health, but also for intimacy. Foods like oranges, kiwis, and strawberries are excellent sources, and adding them into your daily meals can help you feel more energized. Another key nutrient is vitamin B6, which is vital for balancing hormones and reducing feelings of tiredness. Bananas and avocados are wonderful, easy-to-find foods that supply this vitamin and give your body the boost it needs to keep stress at bay. Then there is magnesium, a mineral that quietly works behind the scenes to relax muscles, support healthy nerve function, and improve sleep quality. For older men, better sleep often means better stamina and a brighter mood the next day, and magnesium-rich foods like nuts, spinach, and dark chocolate are enjoyable ways to get it. Zinc is another mineral that deserves special attention because it directly supports testosterone production and prostate health. Oysters are famous for containing zinc, but pumpkin seeds and beans are excellent, affordable alternatives. Without enough zinc, men may notice a drop in drive and vitality, so keeping it in your diet makes a real difference. The best part is that these nutrients don't just help with physical performance, they improve how you feel overall. A steady supply of vitamins and minerals keeps your mind clear, your energy stable, and your outlook on life more positive. By focusing on colorful fruits, leafy greens, nuts, and seeds, you are feeding your body exactly what it craves to keep you sharp and strong. Each meal becomes a chance to give yourself the tools to stay active, confident, and connected to the things that make life joyful. One of the simplest yet most powerful ways to feel younger and more vibrant is by focusing on daily habits that support the body. You don't need to make drastic changes or follow complicated routines. Small, consistent actions can completely shift how you feel and function. Regular movement is one of the most important habits. Something as gentle as a 20-minute walk each day helps keep the heart strong, joints flexible, and circulation flowing. Walking outdoors also provides fresh air and sunlight, which lift the mood and boost vitamin D levels, a nutrient that supports bones and overall energy. Stretching is another habit that often gets overlooked but can make a huge difference. Wabi. Simple stretches in the morning or before bed keep the muscles supple, improve flexibility, and reduce stiffness that can build up over the years. These small movements help maintain independence, balance, and confidence in daily activities. Hydration is another vital piece. Many older men underestimate how much water their body truly needs, and dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, and even trouble with focus. Keeping a glass of water nearby and sipping throughout the day is an easy way to stay energized. Cutting down on habits that strain the body, like smoking or excessive drinking, also adds years of vitality. Even reducing these little by little can improve blood circulation, lung health, and energy levels. Pairing these changes with balanced meals, especially those rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins, fuels the body with nutrients needed to stay active. The beauty of these habits is that they stack together. Each small step supports the next, creating a lifestyle where you feel lighter, stronger, and more in tune with your body. Over time, these daily practices don't just support physical health, they also lift your confidence and outlook on life, reminding you that healthy aging is not about restriction, but about creating routines that let you enjoy life fully and with more vitality. So much of intimacy and vitality comes from the mind as well as the body, which is why emotional health and mindset are just as important as nutrition and exercise. As men grow older, stress, loneliness, or worries about performance can quietly drain away energy and confidence. Learning how to manage these feelings and stay connected to joy makes a tremendous difference in how fulfilling life can be. One of the simplest yet most effective practices is finding ways to reduce stress. Deep breathing, gentle meditation, or even just taking a few minutes to sit quietly in nature can calm the nervous system and lower stress hormones that interfere with intimacy and overall wellness. Social connections are another powerful factor. Spending time with friends, family, or a partner creates feelings of belonging and happiness, which in turn fuel both emotional and physical vitality. Even simple routines like sharing a meal, calling a loved one, or joining a local group can reignite a sense of purpose and joy. Positive self-talk also plays a role. Many older men put unnecessary pressure on themselves, comparing their current selves to their younger years. Instead, shifting the mindset to celebrate progress, appreciate the present, and recognize the wisdom gained over time helps release tension and allows intimacy to feel more natural and enjoyable. Laughter, too, has remarkable benefits. Watching a funny movie, joking with a friend, or finding humor in daily life reduces stress, improves circulation, and boosts mood in ways that directly support better performance and satisfaction. Sleep is another cornerstone of emotional health, because a rested mind is calmer, more focused, and more open to connection. Creating a relaxing nighttime routine, limiting late-night screen time, and keeping a consistent sleep schedule can greatly improve how you feel emotionally. All of these habits and perspectives work together to remind you that intimacy is not just about the body, it's about feeling happy, supported, and connected to life in a deeper way.